one, go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during a G3 weekly tournament here in the Philippines. Today, the Dragon King faces off against a new challenger, an upcoming rookie with a burning spirit and the will to rise above. This time, he challenges the Dragon King to test his skills and push his limits. He's Z-Drake. Will Z-Drake defeat the Dragon King in the challenge, or will the Dragon King make a comeback? Stick around to find out. These are the combos that I used for this challenge. Lightning El Drago upper with a 360 ratchet and a taper bit. Grand Buster with a 560 ratchet and a point bit. Cobalt Dragoon with the 160 ratchet and the rush bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge. Dito na. Dito na. Bye-bye. Ingat. Bye-bye. First play tayo. El Drago. Hey, Bladers ready? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Unbalance eh.
Pero binalag ko yun. 1.0.
Upper yan?
Oh, ay, ano yun? Upper. Okay, ito na. Second base. Okay, get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Pares magaan din eh.
Ay, ano tayo? Third day. Show me. Kailangan mo.
Puro else yung dalawa at yung pupunta sa...
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Two on. Shuffle tayo. Okay na. Uy, rematch. Okay, we're ready. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Puting na ako. Nakakala siya sa release.
Naka-taper ka eh.
Ah, tayo para to?
Hindi ka naman flat eh. Tapos tingnan mo, balance pa yung ano. Balance talaga yan. Try mo long pad. Low
Yeah.
pad.
Ay, yung una, kahapon, yun yung gamit ko.
Low pad for flat.
Another rematch.
Ano yan?
Start. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. Wala na.
All three?
All 3 tayo.
Three?
Last bay. We have to rematch. Okay, we're ready. In 3, 2, 1, go. Panalo ang first set, so next set. 2 out of 3 naman.
Can we-
ulit ah.
Can we change the bet? Can I change the bet?
Yung arrangement lang, pero yung parts hindi.
Okay.
Dito pa rin.
Dali talaga na to.
Oo, muna ka. Okay na ako. First layer tayo. Okay, get ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Kailang ko na yun.
Kaya hindi na naman yung dragon. Contest na.
Mali.
Yun, ang ganon. Kaya hindi na naman yung dragon. Contest na.
Mali.
Yun, ang ganon. 2-0. Kapon ganun yung nangyayari. Tulak sa tulak. Second bay.
Sarap. Ayan, no?
Makulit eh. Makulit nga yung dragon. Okay, okay, steady. 3, 2, 1, go. Touch, blood.
Sobrang bastard talaga pag yan.
Kaya nga eh. Hindi ko ma-push kanina eh. Okay. 1, 2, 1.
Nakukuha din.
Third game. Okay. Okay, get ready. In 3, 2, 1, go. Ano?
All two?
All two. All two. Shuffle B. Okay. First wallet. Yung... Oh, no. Lahat yun. Okay, get ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Bang!
Hindi ka nakalas? Mas malakas siya, may wala.
Ang dalawa lang.
3, 2. Second day ulit.
Rematch. Nadaman.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. And that's game. The final standings are Dragon King 2, Z-Drake 0. Z-Drake almost had it, but the Dragon King surprised everyone in the second set to secure the win. He is your winner and the new Dragon King Challenge Champion, Wawawiwa. So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to Z-Drake, and I'll see you guys in the next video.